Okay, if you're still doing everything manually, stop. Copilot can literally save you hours. Let me show you how to use it like a pro. Today, I'm breaking down how to use Microsoft Copilot, the AI assistant that helps you write, plan, create, and basically level up your entire workflow. What Copilot actually? Copilot is your AI companion. You can ask it to write scripts, summarize articles, translate text, brainstorm ideas, help with school, or even generate images. It's like having a creative partner that never gets tired. Where you can use it. You can use Copilot on Windows, in your browser, inside Microsoft apps, or on your phone. Same experience everywhere. Type what you need, and Copilot handles the rest. How to talk to Copilot. Here's the trick. Talk to Copilot like a human. You can say things like, write a YouTube script about, summarize this text in 5 bullets, give me 10 ideas for a Roblox video, explain this like I'm a beginner. The more specific you are, the better the results. But honestly, Copilot understands natural language really well. Real examples. Let's test it. Example 1, YouTube content. Give me 5 scary Roblox video ideas. Boom, instant inspiration. Example 2, productivity. Plan my week with study, gym, and content creation. It builds a full schedule. Example 3, learning. Explain what an API is in simple terms. Clear, friendly explanation. Example 4, summaries. Paste a long article, Copilot turns it into clean bullet points. Power tips. To get the best results, give context. Ask for a specific style. Use follow-ups to refine. Ask Copilot to rewrite, shorten, or expand. Treat it like a conversation, because it is. And that's how you use Copilot like a pro. If you want more tutorials, AI tricks, or content creation hacks, hit like and subscribe, and tell me what you want next.